Okay, now we will going to introduce the smart iPanel operation. First, we will turn the SS switch from local to remote for both incoming DS and main VCB panel. Okay, and second, we will use the smart iPanel to operate the ES to make it be open. We can see the lamp. It is the remote control to make ES from closed to open. Okay, then we will use the smart iPanel to put the DS close. So the DS will use the remote control to automatically close. And because this is the interlock panel, so after DS close, then we can put the VCB closing. Okay, so this is the screen of VCB. Then we confirm to be remote control. Okay, so it is also automatically use the app to close the VCB. Okay, so after VCB put in, then it will turn the light of the connected position. Okay, the last one, we will also use our app that you can confirm the VCB on. So this whole process that the operators does not need to go and to connect. You can use your cell phone to achieve the online remote control.